Welcome to our in-depth roundup of the best claw hammers, your complete guide to finding a reliable, comfortable, and durable tool for everything from quick home fixes to demanding construction work. A claw hammer is one of the most essential tools you can own, and choosing the right one can make a huge difference in how efficiently and comfortably you work. Whether you're hanging pictures, assembling furniture, or tackling heavier carpentry tasks, the right hammer helps improve accuracy, reduce fatigue, and deliver better results every time. When selecting a claw hammer, it's important to think about a few key factors. The weight of the hammer determines how much striking power you'll have, while the handle design affects comfort and grip. The claw style also plays a role, as curved claws are great for pulling nails, while straight claws are better suited for prying and demolition. In this guide, we'll walk through 5 of the best claw hammers you've chosen, breaking down what makes each one unique so you can pick the perfect option for your needs. Don't forget to check the description box for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Mr. Penn 8 ounces small magnetic claw nail hammer, a compact and lightweight tool that's ideal for precision work and smaller household tasks. This hammer is designed with control in mind, making it perfect for users who need accuracy rather than heavy striking force. Its smaller size makes it easy to handle, especially for beginners or for tasks that require careful nail placement. One of the most useful features of this hammer is the built-in magnetic nail holder. This allows you to position nails easily without needing a second hand, which can be incredibly helpful when working in tight or awkward spaces. The lightweight design also reduces strain on your wrist, making it comfortable to use for longer periods. While it's not intended for heavy-duty construction, it performs exceptionally well for light repairs, crafts, and detailed work around the home. If you need a tool that offers precision and ease of use, this is a great starting point. Coming in at number 4 is the YYTOLS claw hammer, a simple and dependable option that's well suited for everyday use. This hammer is built with a solid steel head, giving it the durability needed for general tasks like driving nails, minor repairs, and DIY projects. It's a straightforward tool that focuses on getting the job done without unnecessary complexity. The handle is designed to provide a comfortable grip, which helps reduce hand fatigue during use. This makes it a practical choice for homeowners who need a reliable hammer for occasional tasks. While it doesn't include advanced features, its simplicity is part of its appeal. It's easy to use, easy to maintain, and offers consistent performance. If you're looking for an affordable and dependable hammer for everyday use, the YYTOLS model is a solid choice. At number 3, we have the Zuzuan Stubby Claw Hammer, a compact and versatile tool designed specifically for tight spaces and precision work. What sets this hammer apart is its shorter handle, which allows for better control in areas where a full-sized hammer might be difficult to maneuver. Despite its compact design, it still delivers enough power for light to moderate tasks. It's particularly useful for working in confined spaces such as cabinets, corners, or small work areas. The shorter handle also makes it easier to control your strikes, reducing the risk of damaging surrounding materials. This hammer is a great addition to any toolkit, especially for those who frequently work in tight or awkward spaces. While it may not replace a full-sized hammer for heavy-duty tasks, it fills an important role for precision work. If you value control and maneuverability, this is an excellent option. Moving on to number 2, the Crescent 18 ounces. Steel indexing claw hammer offers a unique combination of strength and versatility. This hammer stands out because of its innovative indexing feature, which allows you to adjust the angle of the claw. This added flexibility can be extremely useful when working in challenging positions or when you need better leverage. The 18-ounce head provides a strong balance between power and control, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks. Whether you're driving nails into wood or removing them, this hammer performs reliably. The steel construction ensures durability, while the ergonomic handle helps maintain comfort during extended use. This hammer is especially appealing for users who want a tool that can adapt to different situations. The adjustable claw angle adds a level of convenience that traditional hammers don't offer. If you're looking for a versatile and modern tool, the Crescent hammer is a fantastic choice. Finally, taking the top spot on our list is the Estwing Straight Rip Claw Hammer, a professional-grade tool known for its exceptional durability and performance. Estwing has built a strong reputation for producing high-quality tools, and this hammer lives up to that standard. What makes this hammer stand out is its one-piece forged steel construction. This design eliminates weak points and ensures long-lasting strength, even under heavy use. The straight rip claw is particularly effective for prying and demolition work, making it a versatile tool for demanding tasks. Another major advantage is the shock-reducing grip, which helps minimize vibration and improve comfort. This is especially important for users who spend long hours working with tools, as it reduces strain on the hands and arms. The balance and weight distribution also contribute to its excellent performance, allowing for precise and powerful strikes. If you need a hammer that can handle tough jobs while providing reliable performance over time, the Estwing Straight Rip Claw Hammer is the best overall choice. Choosing the right claw hammer ultimately depends on your specific needs and how you plan to use it. If you need a lightweight tool for precision tasks, the Mr. Penn hammer is a great option. For everyday household use, the Yayatools hammer offers dependable performance. If you often work in tight spaces, the Zuzuan Stubby hammer is an excellent choice. For added versatility and innovative features, the Crescent indexing hammer stands out. And if you're looking for a professional-grade tool that can handle heavy-duty work, the Estwing hammer is the top pick. It's also worth considering how often you'll use your hammer and the types of projects you'll be working on. A comfortable grip can make a big difference during extended use, while a durable construction ensures that your tool will last for years. Investing in the right hammer not only improves your efficiency, but also makes your work more enjoyable. A good claw hammer is more than just a basic tool. It's something you'll rely on for countless tasks over time. From simple home repairs to more complex projects, having the right hammer in your hand can make all the difference in achieving professional-looking results. And that brings us to the end of our review of the best claw hammers. From the compact and precise Mr. Penn 8 ounces small magnetic claw nail hammer, the reliable Yayatools claw hammer, the versatile Zuzuan Stubby claw hammer, the innovative Crescent 18 ounces, steel indexing claw hammer, to our top pick, the powerful Estwing Straight Rip Claw Hammer. There's a perfect option here for every user and every project. Which hammer would you choose for your next project? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews and buying guides. And be sure to check the description box for current prices and deals so you can grab the best tool for your needs today. Thanks for watching.